Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We want to find the work in kilojoules for a compressed spring that has moved a distance of 2 centimeters. The spring constant is 302 newtons per centimeter. The compressive force is 101 newtons. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We got a spring, it's been compressed by 2 centimeters. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. So it's moved 2 centimeters, initial distance, we're going to set it to 0. Spring constant is 302 newtons per centimeter. The initial compressive force is 101 newtons. We want to find work in kilojoules. Step 3, we want to find the work formula for spring, so we integrate this formula with the spring constant and distance as well as the initial force. So once you've done integration, you'll get this formula, and we're going to use this formula to plug and play the values. Step 4, find the work, so we're going to plug and play. So K is the spring constant. So this is given to us, divide by 2, and then we've got 2 centimeters squared minus 0 squared plus 101 newtons multiplied by 2 centimeters minus 0. So that will give us 806 Newton centimeters, and then we're just gonna use our unit conversions all the way until we get to kilojoules. So we divide by 100, and next we then convert 1 to 1 from Newton meter to joule, and then we divide by 1000 to get to kilojoule. So we get 0.00806 kilojoules of work for the compressed spring. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you or recommend that you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use a Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar, open up the program. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.